Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This morning, atong sistingan ang signal dani sa pilot or sa new Imbatag kung maka Wifi ba kita kay man sila nga nanaday signal pwede ta maka Wifi din. So ang pamaagi is maghulog kag barya tapos imong pinduton ang button, then mag-print siya receipt, then makatag og code. Then pagkahuman imo siyang i-enter or i-enter ang code, tapos imo siyang i-click ang login. So pagkaman pag-click din sa login, so pwede na din ka mag-internet.
It's not fair, no. You said you were staying through the winter season, but you're not there. You're not there, no. No way, though. Maybe I can't let go. Maybe I thought you'd take my side, my side. No way, though. You never think it through. One more round, I'm not going down tonight. Baby, you're worth the fight.
That's it for today guys. Thank you so much for watching, and before anything else, so bago pa sa ako ang YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Johnny Mijanti PH, and shout out to Aljun Ritesa, to Div, Biroy, Jen Dukot, Roldan Soy, thank you so much for subscribing. To Melanie Grace, thank you so much for subscribing. And to all who subscribe to my YouTube channel, thank you so much.